In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set email notifications for Trello checklist dates. Start by opening Trello and signing into your account. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account menu, where you'll find the main settings for your Trello notifications and preferences. From that drop-down menu, click Settings. After the Settings page opens, look for the section called Email Notifications. This is where Trello lets you control whether updates are sent to your inbox and how often they arrive. To turn on email notifications, enable the Email Notifications option. When this is switched on, Trello can send you updates about activity connected to your boards, cards, and important reminders. You'll also be able to choose how those notifications are delivered. Depending on your preference, you can select periodic emails, which group updates together and send them at intervals, or instant emails, which send notifications as activity happens. If you want to stay on top of checklist dates as quickly as possible, instant notifications are usually the better option because they alert you right away. If you prefer fewer emails in your inbox, periodic notifications may be a better fit. The right choice depends on how closely you manage your Trello tasks and how quickly you need to respond to upcoming dates. After turning email notifications on, make sure due dates are enabled. This part is important because checklist date reminders depend on Trello being allowed to notify you about due date-related activity. If due dates are not enabled, you may receive general email updates, but still miss the date-based reminders you actually want. Once email notifications are active and due dates are enabled, Trello will be set up to send you email alerts related to those dates, helping you keep track of tasks and deadlines more reliably. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go: if you're not seeing the emails, check your inbox carefully and also look in your spam, promotions, or updates folder, since notification emails can sometimes be filtered automatically. It's also a good idea to confirm that you saved your settings and that you're using the correct Trello account, especially if you manage more than one workspace or email address. And that's it. You've now set up email notifications in Trello and made sure due dates are enabled so you can stay informed when checklist-related deadlines come up.